It starts with the network. Fixed beacons provide a high-precision reference across your entire facility.
Small, ruggedized 6DoF wearables provide real-time location and posture data from the helmet or torso. Active tags integrate heavy machinery and critical tools into a single, unified safety ecosystem. Innovation in motion. Beacons can be mounted on rails to provide on-demand coverage for specific work zones. Need coverage in a new area? Beacons on mobile AMRs reduce uncovered spots and follow the work as it moves. Setup is effortless. RightSecu beacons require only power, eliminating the need for complex network wiring. Stop reacting to what you can see. Start predicting with RightSecu 3D intelligence. Location isn't enough. We track 6 degrees of freedom, providing the critical context of worker orientation. We monitor posture, detect improper lifting or ergonomic hazards the moment they occur. Rapid orientation changes trigger instant fall alerts, even in areas where cameras can't see. When a worker is within 6 feet of an unfenced edge, audio-visual alarms will activate, prompting them to immediately crawl or move away from the hazard. Safety bubbles scale dynamically, reacting to machine speed and direction to prevent collisions.
Smoke, fire, or total darkness. RF technology penetrates obstacles that stop vision-based systems cold.
RightSecu uses 1/1000th the data of video for faster updates and lower computational costs.
Real-time dashboards provide proactive risk mitigation and instant emergency response coordinates.
Secure your people and your business. Automate compliance for the Serious Accidents Punishment Act.
RightSecu, safety that predicts the hazard before the incident occurs. Contact Owlynk to transform your safety culture today.